Hi guys, welcome back to this Model Engineers Workshop. I'm the chef. Today, just got a little new addition to the workshop, which I'll show you in a second, but this being model engineering, we tend to use the smaller sizes of nuts and bolts. Now, some of us will have a socket set. This is a nice little miniature set. Had for a few years now. Uses a 1/4" drive, which you can see there. Oh, it's maybe even a 3/8 drive with a 1/4" adapter, that's right. And it has its uses. It's really useful. Got a nice little ratchet on it, but you can see that's quite deep. Sometimes you just need a spanner, a plain ordinary spanner. Now, most spanner sets that you can buy in the shops go up to like 25mm from about 8 or 10. Well, that's not much use to the most model engineers, so I've gone and bought myself a little small metric set. This was about 20 bucks including postage, I think. 10 metric spanners going from 4 to 11mm. These are the most. This will cover up virtually everything I need. There we go. And as you can see, nice little, it's better against the white background. Nice little thin spanners, even the biggest, is that the 11? Yeah, there you go. Quite thin, means I can get into small spaces, narrow spaces. It's got a ring on one end and the ordinary spanner on the other, of course. Nice little plastic pouch if that's what you want to keep them in, of course. Seems to suffice. It's reasonably sturdy, but I'm thinking I've got this empty case, used to have drills in it, so I'm thinking I'm going to have to manufacture some kind of spacer with all the slots in it, the right thicknesses, so that the spanners can go in there. Bit of foam in the top here just to stop them from dropping out if it gets turned over the wrong way, so at least they stay in place. And that will then stack very nicely on the shelf, right on it here somewhere, or a sticker or a bit of tape or whatever. That it contains the mini spanner set. Nice strong sturdy case. So that's the plan. That's the addition to the workshop today. Little metric set of 10 small spanners. It'll last me a lifetime. Yep, very nice. Nicely chromed, no rough edges. I've measured across the gap a couple of times on a few of them, and they're as accurate as they need to be. It's a set of spanners. Alright guys, so please like, subscribe and hit the bell. This is the chef signing out, and I'll see you next time. Little quick update on the mini spanner set that I just showed you. Here you can see the case that I was going to use. Got a nice sliding latch on it. Da-da-da. As you can probably tell, that's a bit of old floor matting, the rubbery stuff. I use this in the workshop by the machine, so I'm not standing on the concrete floor too long, too hard. A few bits all just glued together. There we go. That's the update. Thanks a lot. Bye now.